Hi everybody, Ricardo from Complete Auto Reports here to show you some of the updates that we've made to our platform in the last 30 days. Starting with the dashboard, you may have noticed that we have a new dashboard display. If not, click the Switch Dashboard icon on the top right of your home screen and it will bring you to our new dashboard. You will see that within these 6 tiles, you now have a full view of everything going on at your business. Starting with the top left tile this month, you have the total number of service requests open, total revenue coming in the door, as well as a not paid count, overdue 30, and overdue 90 count. All of these tiles are clickable, bringing you to the applicable page so you can get started right away. In the center, you will see the icons that you've become very familiar with. The ability to create an appointment, create a quick service request, or access our job board. In addition, the shortcut icons for the calendar, service request list, and every car status has been placed here in order to get you where you need to go quickly and efficiently. Pressing Work in Progress will bring you right to the service request list with work in progress service requests filtered out. Quick service actions give you access to CAR's robust advanced search history, text messaging, and other filters like on the lot, service request attention, and unassigned service requests. Advanced Report is a shortcut to the Advanced Report page. And Business Metrics gives you all of the important data that you need regarding this month at a glance. Easy Check-in allows you to check in all customers based on this criteria, or you can simply add a new customer, view notifications, access our amazing video guide directly from our platform, as well as our help guide that gives you step-by-step tutorials on basic car functions. Last but not least, we have some of CAR's amazing add-ons that help you get in touch with your customers right away. You can view the last service page, due for service, and any clients that are coming up with registration, insurance, and inspections that are expiring, giving you the ability to reach out based on data that we provide directly from the dashboard. Underneath those main tiles, you will see tiles for appointments, unassigned service requests, assigned to me, technicians, and notes. These tiles are in their infancy, and we are working to add relevant data to make everybody's life easier as they navigate through CAR. As always, mobile display is a priority in everything that we do. So here is our dashboard on an iPhone 14. Moving on to the next update, we have service request legends that are clickable. So you can now click on our service request legend, and the service request list will filter based on the status you are looking for. Simply pressing Clear Filter will bring you back to the main. As always, mobile-friendly display for everything we do on desktop. Moving on to our last small but powerful change, you will notice that in every service request, we now have service request icons. We have added short descriptions to each icon to help you navigate through CAR faster. Here is what those icons look like on your mobile display. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to send us your questions and comments as we are here to help. Have a great day.